Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a protein quesadilla. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for this delicious and nutritious meal. You'll need about 100 grams of cooked chicken breast, either shredded or diced, for that lean protein boost. Grab 2 whole wheat tortillas, roughly 8 inches across, and about 1/2 cup of your favorite shredded low-fat cheese. Don't forget 1/4 cup of chopped bell peppers, and 2 tablespoons of diced onion for extra flavor and nutrients. Now, let's prepare our flavorful protein filling. Begin by heating 1 teaspoon of olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Once warm, add your chopped bell peppers and diced onions to the pan. Sauté these vegetables for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they become nicely softened. Finally, stir in your cooked chicken and season the mixture with about 1/2 teaspoon of cumin for a warm, earthy flavor. This creates a delicious base for your quesadilla. With our filling ready, it's time to assemble your protein-packed quesadilla. Place 1 whole wheat tortilla directly into your skillet, keeping the heat at medium-low. Sprinkle about 1/4 cup of your shredded cheese evenly over the entire surface of the tortilla. Next, spread half of your delicious chicken and vegetable mixture onto just one side of the tortilla. Carefully fold the tortilla in half, pressing down gently to form a neat crescent shape. This prepares it for perfect cooking. Now for the final step, cooking and enjoying your creation. Cook the folded quesadilla in the skillet for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Flip it carefully using a spatula until both sides are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Make sure the cheese is completely melted and the filling is heated through. Once cooked, remove it from the pan, slice it into 3 easy-to-handle triangles, and serve immediately. Enjoy your delicious, high-protein quesadilla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.